Experiencing trouble logging into your Tesco Bank app with Face ID? You're not alone. Common causes include outdated app versions, disabled Face ID permissions, or iOS settings conflicts. The good news is most Face ID issues are user configurable and easily fixed. If you've recently updated your iOS or the Tesco Bank app, or reset your device, Face ID enrollment data may not sync properly. Start with simple checks like cleaning your camera lens and ensuring good lighting, as environmental factors can sometimes interfere with the biometric scan. If these basics don't solve the problem, move on to the more detailed troubleshooting steps in the next section. First, ensure you're using the latest version of the Tesco Bank app from the App Store. Version 8.0 or newer is recommended for proper Face ID support. Next, go to your iPhone's Settings app, then tap Face ID and Passcode to make sure Face ID is enabled overall. Within Face ID settings, select Other apps and ensure Tesco Bank is listed and enabled to use Face ID. If Tesco Bank isn't listed, open the app and attempt to log in. This should prompt you to allow Face ID permission for the app. If the issue persists, try re-enrolling your face. Delete your existing Face ID profile and set it up again from scratch. Also, verify that attention-aware features are enabled in Face ID settings. This can help, especially on older iPhone models. According to Tesco Bank, 60% of Face ID issues are resolved by re-enrolling, and 30% are fixed via permission checks. If you're still having trouble, contact Tesco Bank support. They offer AI-driven troubleshooting chatbots for quicker resolutions.